whatever, you know what I mean? And especially as they're not even 6 months old. Oh shit.
The waiting game.
Well, when dogs are sick, they have to eat a certain amount, so, but still, come on now, you're doing it to the extreme, and it don't need to be like that. Who knows, her being in the room might not want her, might not make her want to have a kid. Shit, she don't know how it's gonna be, you know what I mean? It's gonna be fucking, it's an experience. It's an experience, you know what I mean? So she might not want to be in there. I don't even want to be in there, but I have to. There ain't no turning back. Shit, you know, but she's been really like, she hasn't been saying